Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Yono SBI account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into Yono SBI from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Yono SBI login and search on the Google itself, or you can just simply search for SBI Yono.SBI and hit enter, and you can see this page is not currently available or discontinued by Yono SBI itself. You now to log into your Yono SBI account will be required to go to this website. You can see the onlinesbi.com. Let's copy it and let's go to this website, and you can see it's the onlinesbi.com. On the first result of Google, you can see the retail online SBI.SBI. Click over there, and this is the homepage of Yono SBI. You can see both of these are from the same. One is SBI online, whereas one is direct homepage. And now to log into your Yono SBI account, personal banking account, you can see the login option available.